An E2 visa permits you to live in the US if you want to start a business and develop and direct its operations. Hi, my name is Shariq and I'm the South Asian attorney. So what are the E2 visa requirements? There must be a treaty between the US and your country of nationality. I'll include a list of all the treaty countries in the description section below. Some of these countries include Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. You must be a national of the treaty country. Being a national of a treaty country means that you have a passport from the treaty country. You must have invested or be actively in the process of investing in the business. Investment is placing capital at commercial risk to generate a profit. You must have lawful possession and control of the funds you invest. Having lawful possession means that you've received these funds legitimately. Thus, you may invest funds you've saved from your lawful earnings or received as a loan, gift, inheritance, etc. Your business capital must be subject to a partial or total risk. For example, you've opened up a retail shop. You sign a 1-year lease agreement that requires you to make a 1-year rental payment in advance. However, if you don't receive your E2 visa, you may be unable to reclaim your funds. Not being able to reclaim your funds is an example of risk. Furthermore, these funds may come from your personal assets or loans. These loans will be required to be unsecured or be secured by personal assets. You must be close to starting the business. For example, suppose you're opening up a gym. In this case, you should already have the space rented, gym equipment in place, a business account set up, and a business website up and running. You must have the ability to develop and supervise the business. For this reason, you must own at least 50% of the business and possess operational control by holding a managerial position. Additionally, you must demonstrate to the government that you have the educational background and the experience to make the business successful. Your investment in the business should be substantial. For example, a manufacturing business might easily cost millions of dollars, but on the other hand, a consulting firm might have a much lower cost. Additionally, many consulates in non-European countries apply an informal minimum investment threshold. Now, the consulates consider a substantial investment to be closer to $100,000. So, in giving out E2 visas, the US government employs a test. This test is to ensure that you're committed to the success of your business. Your investment must not be marginal. A marginal business is set up only to provide minimal income to the business owners and his or her family. You can show that the business is not marginal by hiring employees and by having a business plan that shows growth over the next 5 years. You must leave the US at the termination of the E2 status, although a specific evidence of this intention is not required. A written statement expressing this intention should be sufficient. As always, if you have more questions, you can schedule a consultation or talk to me on WhatsApp.